Hello. My camera's being blurry. I always love how like the facial recognition thing is like it'll try to like track things in the background. That's awesome. Hey, my face is right here. Cool. That doesn't, you know, feel disconcerting or anything. Anyway, it is August 9th. I got done talking with my therapist. Still focusing on the binge issue. And I'm always emotional, man. It's just like, I don't know. Because I just knocked my little lens cover from my case. I have a case on my Canon. I have a Canon G7X. It's like a vlogging camera. But it has this little thing to keep the lens nice and clean. And it's like a little rubber case. I don't know. I think I showed it on like a haul video ages ago. My hair is a hot mess, y'all. I'm like hot garbage shit right now. I was crying. I'm frustrated. It's just life. Frustrated. I was like, I don't know. I'm gonna make myself salad though. I am hungry. So nothing too exciting today, I don't think. I got a 4-hour shift I'm working later. Did my therapy appointment and then just chilling later. Oh, Doogie. Doogie. Oh. The kitties were being cute earlier. They were both sleeping with me. I had Pickles next to me and I was petting her and Doogie was on top of me. And we were just in a big kitty cuddle puddle. Yeah. Oh, I see. I see what it is. You both looking at me because you want to eat? Yeah? Is that what it is? Okay. The feeding time. I must feed the little banshees. Time to feed the kitties. This is how we mew it. Uh-huh. There you go, ladies. I had expected more excitement. Guess you weren't, like, starving.
What is that? What is that? No!
What are you doing?
How many are there?
What are you doing? What are you doing? You keep booping Pickle? Huh? Yeah? Yeah. You're being naughty. Naughty girl. So, I'm soaking my leg in some Epsom salt. You can tell my water is super hot too. Because I'm all red. But, so, I was concerned because of how much pain I'm in. Because this is where I have my plates and screws. It like hurts really bad when I bend my leg. Like, that's where it gets really stiff and start turning. So yeah, I don't have an issue with that. This thing's fine. I'm just trying to take care of it. Hey guys, it's April, the 11th. Looking at my Fitbit, because all my day, like, since I don't have like consistent sleep schedule or anything, my days just kind of go. And then I've been working like weird hours here and there, picking up shifts, trying to get that money. Anyway, so I work a 12-hour night, but so I gotta go in at 6. It's getting close to 2. I gotta run some errands. I need to get some more go-go juice for the van and grabbing some foods, because yeah, things are looking sad in the old fridge. I need to get some more. I made really good chili, but I wanted to get some more cheese for it and more cheese for my salad stuff. and I need more eggs. I used the rest of them yesterday. Oh, I didn't record me making any of my muffin stuff. So I was doing some experiment making some fiber muffins for my boyfriend. So I guess I could insert some pictures of them because I did take pictures. Anyway, I mean, it wasn't like the worst thing for sure, but I know the mistakes for next time. So I put psyllium husk powder, which is just pure fiber basically. And I didn't put enough moist ingredients, so they're pretty dense and they need a little more sweetness in them. I kind of underestimated the sweetener because I just goofed. Truly. I mean, they're not terrible, honestly, and I'm gonna try and find a way to doctor them up that my boyfriend will still want to eat them. I was thinking doing a baked apple with cinnamon sugar and then chopping the muffin up in there. He'll still get his fiber and be able to enjoy it. So I'm gonna get him a couple bags of apples while I'm out at the old Aldi. Hitting the Aldi. Gotta drop a couple things at the post. Yeah, fun shit, you know. Adulting! That is what we gotta do. You know. This will probably be a bigger shopping day. Usually when I go shopping, I grab a couple smaller things, but my boyfriend wants me to grab some like chicken strips and stuff too, so. I try not to like do crazy big shopping trips just cause I'm try not to waste too much. It's never going bad old food waste, man. So yeah, off we go. So these paper towels I got at Aldi's before on sale, they got marked down even more. So the first time I bought them, they were marked down from $4 to $1.99. So I tried them. Then they were marked down to 99 cents, so I bought 2 more packs. Now they're 49 cents and I bought 10 packs. I thought about buying more, but I was like, I only have so many arms because I was carrying everything by hand, so I put what I could in a box and carried these to the front along with other grocery stuff. So yeah, I really like these paper towels too, and 49 cents, man, can't beat it. Hi guys, it's April 12th. Today I'm trying to clean up a bit. I already started. Like, my boyfriend had a bunch of stuff that needed to go back to the storage unit. I stuck it in my car. I gotta stick this in there too. This computer, this was my old computer case. This is the current one, because to fit all my GPU and everything in there, and my motherboard that I bought. And let's think. I'm gonna vacuum. Cats are gonna hate me, as per usual. I try to vacuum. Okay, reality, I probably vacuum like once a week. On a good week, I vacuum twice a week. Yay, depression. So I'm gonna vacuum. I'm gonna make myself a salad too because I'm pretty hungry. And yeah, I'm just gonna be chill. I got like a few hours before I have to get ready for work, so yay. So, and tomorrow morning I'm getting my vaccine. I'm getting Johnson & Johnson. Yes, I know it's less effective than the other ones. I have terrible needle phobia, so it's the only one for me that makes sense right now. And that was the only one really available around me for now anyway. So kind of worked out the way I would like it. Anyway, let's clean. Hey y'all, it's April 13th. I was supposed to get my vaccination today, but they put a hold on the Johnson & Johnson shot because 6 women out of 6.8 million people who got the shot had a rare blood clotting thing. That's less than 1 in a million, so that's a little annoying. So, who knows? Walgreens said they'd call me back whenever they had more info, so I just wanted to get it over with, but life. Hey guys, it's April 14th now? Yeah, April 14th. I started going through like some old journals and stuff down here. Oh my gosh, you guys should see like I would like get books from the library and take like random notes about whatever I was like being obsessive about. You guys should see some of the shit. So this is just like, I would have journals and I would just like take random notes on things. Not paying attention in school. Nope. Just taking notes on random shit I was more interested in. This is a lot of like witchcraft, Wiccan stuff that I had in here. And then we have this one where I had like random like language stuff I had put in. Well, there's also like actual school notes too. But the one I really want to show, let's see, this shit. Doesn't this look like fucking chaos? I just obsession for a while, like writing as small as I possibly could. Oh my god, so much carpal, like so much writer's cramp anytime I did all this. So I got really obsessed with like handwriting analysis for a while. So I put all the shit here. Look at this shit. Look how much shit I wrote in here. How small I was writing. Look at this shit. No, this is not autistic obsession shit. No, not at all. More old stuff I was going through. This was like a project I did in middle school, I think. A little piece of it broke off, but we made like stained glass almost, but with glue. So I made like this little cat fairy thing. And I had some random things that were like, that was on my wall in high school. Or a bunch of like random old art stuff from like high school too. My torture chamber I made. This was supposed to be like a shading project. I was doing cross hatching with pen. I think this is my mosaic. Yeah, it's my old dog Rufus. The mosaic of him. Not sure how great it looks now when I look at it. Maybe he has to be farther back. Is this? I don't know. Aha! There you go. There you go. There's Rufus. I was like, that didn't look right. Yeah, that's my old dog. Let's see. Oh, I had to do like a kaleidoscope and I did Link. I forgot about that. That's funny. Mostly it's high school stuff. This is a tree, which I think this ended up becoming an oil pastel thing eventually. So this was like my initial, was it? No? I'm not sure. I did end up doing a tree later though for oil pastel that my grandma has. And let's see. I have this Mario. This was on my wall forever too. Yeah, that's my initial Link that I drew to do my kaleidoscope. Yeah, there's some random shit. Look at these old folders, guys. What you doing? Are you being playful? You playing with mommy's papers? some more like old shit. I'm gonna recycle this, but these old folders, I don't know if anyone ever had these, but I think this is like when Goosebumps was popular. They tried to make some things that kind of looked like it. So I got more random shit. So I always like putting collages on stuff when I find random shit. This cow though. Moo. Even though it broke off a journal long. This is something one of my friends drew. Oh yeah. Okay, so this art project, we had a base picture and then we were making a larger picture out of smaller pictures. I don't know how well, I don't know how well I did on that. I mean, you kind of see there's a form of a woman, but I put a lot of random shit that I liked. Obviously, there's a lot of video game references in this. I like my little Kirby. He's so cute. Random anime shit. Always a mushroom, y'all. Was that high school? Random Johnny the Homicidal Maniac print-offs. Because Johnny. Oh my god, I found like a paper I did about how like trauma affects the brain, like neurobiology in like high school. Or like showing different brain scans and stuff. I like my very super colorful background. I decided I was gonna make it look like, I guess I was trying to go for the effect of like all the little synapses in your brain. I have a bunch of high school, middle school random shit here. Kitty's pawing at my back. Let's see. That's definitely mostly like middle school stuff. Motorcycle. So I was wondering what was in here. A piece of my cast that my old friend signed from when I got hit by a car when I was 13. And then this like unicorn I drew on pen. But yeah. I didn't realize I had that. That's funny. Yeah, more random shit. I forgot I drew all this random stuff on the back of here when I was obsessed with gravitation. Oh, there's nothing else in this notebook though. Let's see. Lots of random things. I used to try to like make random comics. Oh, it's my old cat Terry. What are these? Those middle school when I drew these. I think that's even earlier. That might have been elementary school. That's definitely earlier. Oh my god, Eden's Crush. Anyone else ever watched that? What was like Pop Star or whatever the hell that thing was? That was ages ago. I've always had a problem drawing bodies very well. Like, I can draw busts pretty well, but then my bodies are all wonky wonky. Mechonk. My birds weren't too bad. I would just like doodle when I was in class. Was I trying to draw myself? I think I was a little bit. Random Invader Zim Alien. Let's see. Frickin' Doritos. Naburu. I had a lot of all this stuff that I drew. Couldn't tell what my favorite game was, huh? Look at that. More collages I did. Like, I just find random stuff. Always the damn mushrooms. You are shrooms. I think that says, didn't see that. No, I didn't either. It kind of wore off over time. But, oh yeah, I remember it was like this weird little, you would see those little quizzes on like MySpace and stuff. And it was like, what drug are you? I would just find funny shit like this in magazines. Don't drink and draw. Like, random Betty Boop. Some more drawings. Oh, his face weird. His nose should have came down more. Really doing like this fairy looking thing. His face looks kind of chonk. It looks like female Link at this point. I don't think that's what it's supposed to be. I think it was supposed to be different, but now look at it through the camera. That's just random. Oh, my little Excel saga. Hello, Palazzo! When I taped in my, what I was modeling after. That's me trying to draw Eminem. What was this? Oh, I was starting to draw this. God, that was forever ago. Random shit. I drew this somewhere too. Or Johnny. Johnny! Fruba. that everything, I think. Nope. Johnny had Splody. Poor Johnny. All my little invaders in. I saw a squirrel. Ah, that's everything in that one. Thanks for reminiscing with me on my old doodles. Hey, I just finished laundry. Oh, so much laundry. And I dropped some of my boyfriend's stuff off at the storage unit. So, I'm heading back home now. Eee. Look at this cat when I make my bed. What are you doing? Are you trying to smooth out the wrinkles, Pickle? Are you trying to smooth the wrinkles out? You helping me put the fitted sheet on? I know, this is like the most annoying. Well, actually, this is the mattress protector. And then I gotta put the fitted sheet on. What are you doing, you goofy girl? There's no treasure under there. She's such a goofer. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing, baby? Gotta smooth that fitted sheet out. Huh, Pickle? You gotta smooth it for mommy. You guys wanna watch me? I've been making the bed, and Pickles is so goofy. She gotta smooth the wrinkles. Oh, Pickles, you're gonna like this one. This one's warm from the dryer. You don't like this. You don't want to sleep on it? Excuse me, Pickle. Oh no! Oh no! You're so goofy. What are you doing? She's my little helper. You wanna help me? Huh? Are you done? Yeah. Hey guys, it's April 16th. I don't think I didn't record anything yesterday. I was playing sleep catch up, honestly. Since the 14th, I really didn't get much sleep. Did some sleeping today too, actually. Not really sure what my plan is today. Might do some cooking. We'll see. So, I didn't really do much today, so I'm just gonna close out this weekly vlog. You can subscribe if you want, because I post random shit.